Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the page. This is Erica guys from Yard Abroad with Erica, and on Facebook the Jamaican style cooking. So guys, I'm not doing no big cooking today, so I have some fish I'm gonna put in the oven. So guys, everything I cook today will be in the oven. And so guys, the first thing I did, I washed my corn and I'm gonna tip a little bit of oil in here. Yes, I said I was gonna use some olive oil, but unfortunately it went this way already. So I'm gonna put some Italian season guys. I don't know if you're seeing the light. Italian season, some Maggi all-purpose season for taste. Alright, a little all-purpose season, not promoting guys. I'm trying not to salt it guys. Sometimes I'm trying not to use a lot of salt, but still end up with a lot of salt. So right here guys, I'm just mixing all the season out. I think it need a little bit of, I taste the Maggi, but I think I need salt itself. Just a little bit of salt. I'm not using too much salt. Mix it out. So guys, how are you guys doing? As for myself, I'm doing fine. So guys, now I mix out the salt. So I'm seasoning up this guys. Alright, now it tastes of the salt. So now I'm just rolling in the corn in the salt of seasoned water. Right there. Roll it. Yeah. Roll it. Yes. I'm gonna roll this one over here. I'm gonna put the big one in the middle and put the small one in the end. So guys, I have another one, so I have more than so guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour off some of the water because I don't want it to boil over in the stove. So there you go. Boil off the water, or pour off the water. Not boil off the water, pour off the water. So guys, let's see if this can close. It might not close fully. So guys, right now we're gonna steam in the oven. So you just cover this, and there you go. I'm gonna steam it in the oven. So I'll be back guys. Let me pour off the water from the corn. Okay guys, so right here I have some tilapia. What's it name? Tilapia. You know? I was gonna curry this guys, but it never worked out. Did not work out, so it already defrosted. So I don't want to keep it in the fridge forever, so I'm just gonna cut these little serving size. I guess these are serving size, so I'm just gonna cut them. Tilapia is not my thing, but I got it free, so came and I'm gonna use it. So that's it. Drop it out there, right there. Why is that opening? Cut it open, drop it out. Guys, I feel like some of them still frozen a little bit. Drop that, and I'm gonna wash it off with some vinegar. Oh guys, I should have keep the water from the corn and use it to wash it again, wash it with the seasoning, but that's okay. So this is how we're going. Take out all these. There's a few packs. They're not very big. Yep. And I'm gonna make, woo guys, now I'm gonna have to clean, well anyway, I still have to go clean up the counter when I done. So guys, I'm gonna take this to the fridge, to the, what am I saying? I'm gonna take it to the sink because I don't like the fact that it's splattering on the counter. Nah. Okay guys, if you're still here, please comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to put your notification bell on. So guys, right here I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. Alright. I'm gonna put a little jerk sauce. Just a little bit, not too much. Yes. And I'm gonna put some of the season blend. Oh my guys, gonna see. So I'm gonna put some season blend. Yeah, that one have salt. A little bit of Maggi all-purpose. That one have salt. A little Italian herb. Some garlic powder. Alright. And some jerk sauce, guys. Jerk sauce. So I have some jerk sauce. And some basil. So I have some basil. So here you go. Basil. So this is the basil. So I have the basil. A little bit of jerk sauce. Wow guys, I think, wow. The jerk sauce, I have some green seasoning in my fridge. Guys, I have to pick up back some of this jerk sauce, it's hot. Alright, take out some and put it in here with the green seasoning. So I'm going to put some green seasoning. Yes, I blend up the green seasoning. So we have leftover when I done cook, after I season up my stuff. So I just keep it in a glass there and keep it in the fridge. Alright. So that's one right there. Oh guys, I have some vinaigrette. Put a little bit of vinaigrette in there. And so put this under here and stir all the seasoning together. Mix everything together, guys. So I'm mixing everything together. Alright. Mix it, guys, because I'm doing everything on boil, yarrow, dry. Yes, man, this tastes good. I think you need a little bit more salt. Yeah, that's enough. Guys, I do low sodium, and what is happening to me these days, I'm trying to cook to make the household like what I cook. But I think they're gonna have to get used to my low sodium, because when I do that, I tend to end up with too much seasoning. Let me turn my grandson, guys. It tastes so good. Alright, so let me dip the fish. So I think I'm just gonna put the fish in there. Put the fish and just mix them together. Yeah, so you mix them together, guys. You know, both sides. So right there you do both sides. So you just mix the seasoning on both sides. Yeah. it right there. Guys, if you're still watching, please subscribe, engage the page Facebook, engage the page YouTube, subscribe, follow page Facebook, follow the page YouTube, subscribe to the channel. So that's it, guys. So that's what I do. You just put the seasoning all over the fish. Alright, and so we're gonna put them head and tail. Yeah. So right. Oh, guys, this thing going on. So that's head and tail. Head and tail. Alright. So there you go. And I'm gonna wash my hand, come back and put the cover on and put it in the oven while I make a little salad. So there you go, guys. That's the fish right there. Yes, right there. So guys, there is the fish. Nice and seasoned. So now I'm gonna put a cover on the pan and put it in the oven. So the oven is on, what is it, guys? Broil, B-R-O-I-L. Yes, so now I'm gonna put it in the oven, guys. Alright. There you go, in the oven. One. And there the corn go in the oven. So there you go, guys. Everything in the oven. Okay, guys, now I have some cucumber. I'm gonna make a cucumber salad with some lettuce, cucumber, tomato. I'm gonna put some lettuce. So, guys, the lettuce start turn red. So I don't know how much of this I'm gonna have to peel off and throw out. But usually, guys, I don't use the end of the lettuce. The first layer of the lettuce, I always take it off. So I'm only using maybe 2 pieces. I'm gonna use maybe 2 pieces. Because, guys, when I use lettuce in my house, I'm gonna take off this one spoiling. I don't want them to rotten, so I'm taking off the one that start to spoil. So the leaf that start to spoil, I'm just gonna take that off. Put this back. Let me take the other one. Take this off. Yeah. And some of the leaves then start to spoil. So these are lettuce that I got from my pantry. So the thing about it, I cannot complain because I get them free. So now I just take off the outer part and put the rest back in the bag and keep it in the fridge. So show that part. Put this one. Guys, there's so much of the leaf. Usually if I'm using it and I'm going to usually take off the leaf anyway, so it doesn't matter. So this piece I'm going to put back in the fridge. See a leaf under here that is spoiling. Piece of this one just back in here. Alright. Oh, this one. I didn't take this one. Alright. Guys. So now I'm going to put this back in the bag. So this is for another day and another time. Put this in the fridge. And I'm going to throw these in the garbage. That sounds like I pick up the knife. Yes, sir. Pick up the knife. I'm going to put these in the garbage. And I will be back. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put these in here to wash. It's already take off the bad part. Guys, one of the worst thing for me to be eating salad and see spoiled part in my salad. If you make me salad and I look in the bowl and I see something look like it's not good, I definitely not eating that salad. No, my salad have to be completely clean. These are small guys, so I'm just gonna use those. The skin. These are very small, so I'm gonna wash these off with some salt water. Yes. Guys, I haven't had salad in a while. I have this little pepper in the fridge forever. Guys, so I'm just gonna, I know I'm putting everything on the counter. Hey, but when I'm finished, I'll just clean on the counter. Here's my tomato. I'll take that part off the tomato when I don't wash it. Clean off the counter, and then I'm gonna wipe it off. So let me go get my washcloth to wash off, clean off the counter. So here is all the lettuce and tomato. So I'm gonna wash them in some salt water. So I'm gonna wash them in salt water. Rinse them off in some salt water and come clean off the counter. Okay guys, so let's now shake off the water off the lettuce. Guys, I have a spinner that you could use to take off the water off the lettuce. But guys, I'm old school. So I like to just use my hands. So I'm cutting this, guys. Usually I try not to cut up the lettuce with knife. I usually break it, but I hope and pray we finish it tonight. So I'm just gonna cut it. And guys, my fish and my corn is in the oven. So let's cut this up. Yes, and guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe, share, follow the page Facebook, comment guys, engage the page so YouTube and Facebook can know that you guys like my videos and they will push it out there for others to see. So guys, help me grow the channel, help me grow the page. So right here, cut up the lettuce. It's not a lot. So good, I'm not doing a lot. Guys, I hope you watch my leftover video. And my leftover video still end up with leftover food. I still have some chicken, still have some rice. So guys, there you go. Not a lot. So there you go. So this is a small bowl. A lettuce salad. So I should not have much left over. So guys, I'm putting some grapes also. I put grapes in my salad sometimes, guys. So I get some grapes. So I just cut them in two. Giving it a nice little taste. Just cut that. Yes. So there you go. So guys, have you ever put, drop in the comment section if you ever put grapes in your salad. Especially broccoli salad. Yes, I love broccoli salad. The only drawback about it, you have to put mayo, and I don't really use mayo that often. So guys, I already washed everything that is I'm doing right now. I already take it to the sink and wash. Guys, I never cook. I don't cook without washing my stuff. Everything I cook, I wash. Even those packed salad that they tell you not to wash, I wash. Even your meat that some people say you're not supposed to wash meat, I wash. If I come to your house and see you cooking and you don't wash it, I'm not eating it. So that's it right there. Should I take off the skin of the cucumber, guys? Alright, let's take off the skin. Yeah. Just peel off the skin, even though it's small. Just peel it off. Right there. Right. Alright, guys. I'll check you back, guys, when I finish take off the skin of the cucumber. Okay, guys, so that's some sweet pepper. So now I'm gonna cut up the cucumber. Guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. Help to grow the channel, help to grow the page. Usually I don't take off the skin of the cucumber, guys, but I don't know, this time I don't feel like keeping it on. So there you go. I have another sweet pepper in my fridge, so I said let me use it. And I have a tomato. Let me take out the tomato seed. Yes. Take out the seed out the tomato. Yeah. Take out the seed out the tomato. Yeah. And take out the seed, guys, and keep in the fruit part. Or the meat part. So I take out the middle part, but I take off 99% of the seed. Yeah. Right there. That's it. Cut up tomato. I'm only using one tomato. Guys, you know, so this salad looking like let's see. Alright. Mix everything together. Yeah, I'm gonna mix everything together. Just mix them together, guys. And there you go. Nice green and crunchy. So now we're gonna fill the bowl. I don't know if it's too much for the bowl, guys. If everybody eats salad, we're one of my kids don't eat salad. But all the other people who eat salad, if everybody takes some, I think we shouldn't have much left in the bowl. Alright. So there you go. That's the salad right there. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Scrumptious. Alright. So now let me go do some stuff. Guys, isn't that pretty? It is so pretty. Isn't that pretty? That's so pretty. Alright, guys, I'll see you back, guys, as soon as the fish and the corn is finished. You will see me back. So, guys, I have these raspberry, and so now I'm gonna put them to, I'm gonna blend them up, juice them out, and bag them up and put them in my freezer. Oh, spilling all over the place. Alright, guys. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna pour some water. Okay, guys, now I'm going to strain this. So, guys, because the raspberry seed, so you should I always blend it and get out the seed. It's kind of sour, so you're gonna have to sweeten it. So now, once I get out the seed, I'm gonna bag it up and keep it in my freezer. So that's it. So guys, my fish is cooking. I just put it on air fry. Alright guys, so when I'm finished, I'll see you guys. Yes guys, so I'm making the juice. So now I have to change this strainer guys, because the other one was taking too long. So guys, you see there's a lot of seed in this raspberry. Yep. Just pour it in the sieve. So guys, if you want to make raspberry juice, you could make this with pineapple guys. So you could see, you could make it also with pineapple. You can use pineapple to help with this, to give it a sweeter taste, because raspberry is sour. Guys, I need one of the bigger sieve. I have to get a big sieve like this one. If I had the bigger one, this would finish in two tools. So guys, my fish and my salad and my corn is already finished. Guys, I had to take out the corn out the oven and put it on the stove because it wasn't boiling in the oven. And then I just put the fish on air fry. Okay guys, so I just had part 2 of the juice to this video because it's only 2 minutes long. So right here guys, I'm straining the raspberry juice a second time, so that I make sure that all the seed is out of the juice. So guys, just watch the process as I continue to not only juicing this tired guys, not only straining it a second time, but also bagging it up, and then after that I just put it in my freezer guys. Just make sure when you put it in your freezer, the zip bag is turned up and it doesn't lay down flat, or else all that juice gonna run out in your freezer, because this zip bag is not that strong to hold that it doesn't spill over. So you have to make sure that the ziploc is completely closed and stand up upright to keep the juice in guys. So right here guys, you see I'm straightening out the juice. I'm using my little sieve to use and a spoon to make sure the juice go through. So guys, I had a couple seed, not a lot of seed, you know, because a couple of times the strainer tilt and the juice run over on the side. So I just have a couple, just a little bit, about a spoonful of seed. So it's a lucky thing I strained it a second time because of the seed, the extra seed that fell over the side. And so guys, if you're still watching the video, thank you so much for watching the video. Please comment, subscribe and share. On Facebook, people follow the page, engage the page and help me to grow the page. YouTube help me to grow the channel. I really appreciate your help, my subscribers and my viewers and everyone that is commenting on the videos. Please watch the videos to the end and help me to grow my channel and my page guys. Right here you see I completely finish straining the juice. So right now I'm just mixing everything together to make sure everything is combined, that the juice is combined, because you know sometimes it's sickle at the bottom. So I'm just stirring it out and put everything together, and then now guys I'm gonna bag it up. So guys, watch the process as I'm doing that guys. I really appreciate your help, guys. So right here, guys, you see my salad, guys. I'm so in. Yeah, I was so hungry, guys. I couldn't wait. I just said, you know what, I'm gonna stop the juicing thing and I'm gonna go eat some salad and fish and corn. So guys, right here I'm putting some salad in my bowl. Yes, guys, when I eat salad, I eat salad in a bowl, guys. So I'm eating my salad. I put my corn in, even though you're not seeing the bowl properly. So right here, I'm putting everything to the side. I'm gonna put a piece of tilapia in the fish, even though in the plate, even though that's not, I don't really like tilapia, but I tried it. I didn't really, still don't like it. Nah. But I still eat it, guys, because it's well already in my plate. So I just go ahead and eat it. And so that's how it go, guys. Can't do anything about it. So right here I'm putting some vinaigrette salad dressing on the salad, and I put it also on the corn and on the fish. So guys, this is a mix up. I love to mix up my food, you know, guys. I don't know, I just feel good when I mix up my food together, especially salad and rice, and I just mix them all together. But I'm not using any rice tonight. It's just corn and salad and the fish, guys. So right here you see how the thing going. So guys, right, I'm gonna go back to, yes guys, so as you know, I'm doing a voiceover. So if you like the video, comment, subscribe and share and follow the page and let me know how the thing going over here. Do you like my videos that I've been putting up? And for those who are commenting on the videos and asking questions, thank you so much for the comment. Thank you for the questions. I really appreciate you guys for that. So guys, just continue watching as I go back to taking care of the juice. Yes guys, so right here, guys, I'm gonna bag up the juice. I'm stirring again, guys, because I walk away, I go and eat my dinner, and then I come back to bag up the juice. So right here I'm just mixing everything again to combine. For all the fruit that's settled to the bottom of the bowl, I'm gonna mix everything together so it combine and share evenly in the bag. So guys, right here you see my zip bag. I have two ziplock bag. So that's what I'm gonna use. I put the fry pan in there so that if it spill, it don't spill on the counter, guys, because since I start cooking, the amount of time I wipe my counter, oh boy. So right here, guys, I'm using a measuring cup to fill up the bags, guys. Don't pour directly from the container because it might spill it. If you are like me, you can pour from one container to the next, because I always pour and spill. So you know, right here I'm still stirring, guys. I'm just making sure all the fruits is combined together. So right there, guys, this is what I'm saying, guys. I already spill it in the container, you see, because I have a hard time always to pour from one container to the next. So right here, guys, I'm zipping the bag. Make sure you get out all the air out of the bag. So right here, guys, I'm gonna go pour out the juice back, and I'm gonna go rinse out the pan and stuff to make sure, you know, the juice is not gonna go in the freezer. So just watch the process, guys, as I do this. Thank you so much. I hope someone learned something from this video, you know, because my channel is about simple cooking, simple yard style, that I cook Jamaican style food. And so now I wash out the pan, guys, and here I'm filling up another bag, guys. So you know, so I got two bag, not full bag, each of them is halfway. So that was good. I have two half bag. And so when it's time come, I think I'm gonna try out this juice with some ginger and pineapple. So I'm gonna get some pineapple and put them down to make them get ripe, and I'm gonna blend it out, juice it out as well, and mix it with this juice with some ginger to see how it comes out. So one of these days, guys, I might do that. I'm thinking to make some juice to take to my church, but I'm not sure, so I'll see what I'm gonna do. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and as I say, take care of yourself until next time, and walk good, and remember that Jesus loves you, and I do too. And you know what, thank you again for watching the videos, guys. I really appreciate it. Okay guys, so this is it right here. So gonna put it in my freezer. So when you put it in the freezer, guys, you have to make sure this part is upright. This part, you have to make sure this part is upright, because if it's not upright, then it's gonna open and the juice gonna spill in your freezer. So make sure you freeze. Guys, my battery finishing. So make sure, guys, the juice, the top of the bag is standing up, so that the juice don't run out in your freezer. Guys, my battery is dying. Alright, guys.